Hello friends and welcome to my channel Poet Jerusha 15. Today again I have decided to recite an English poem for you which I penned recently. Perhaps I am made for being broken near the dusk, but when a new day arrives, I shall shine with high spirit at the break of the dawn, this time to burn like the sun. Till the end of the eternity will my heartbeats bedazzle. Now, speaking about books. Books promise to speak volumes while silent, to impart peace if mind is violent, to help live millions of life, knowledge to fight the strife, essentially a fabulous friend. Its author does not ever end. Poem number 3. The chains of gold are graves because we try to break copper chains, but the golden gives illusion of jewelry, hence confining us since ever, eternally. So let us make the posterity aware, even the good can bind you, beware. With the bridegroom, she was being sent. Smile, sparkle, valor no longer evident. Marriage for her was never an achievement. Next poem is The Day You Cross the Line of Sorrow, Pain and Fright. That day is a festival of light. You aren't all on your own, so fret not, do not frown. You will soon be fully fine. Keep sailing, cross the line. Off the shore awaits the divine. Dedicated to the Supreme or the Guru. Whenever I took the pious path, it was due to the beautiful bath in the Ganges of my Guru's feet. Come what may, I can beat. If I choose at all to deviate, he stands smiling to elevate. Now let's know about the poet's heart and mind. The poem I wrote here says, The heart of a poet refrains from lying. Since words I believe and do not say, my poems threaten to reveal next day. That's the prowess of the mighty pen. A chicken always resembles the hen. Be aware, artists, creations are your children. And a short love poem which I wrote a month ago was I Still Have Your Rose, which now belongs only to me. I walked away as you wished it, but my heart had once knit a bouquet of roses just for you. And the next love poem I wrote, Love was my neighbor, smart, smiling and clever, winking at me every day. Far from him I could not stay. Alas, he now owns my abode forever. If my heart aches, my mom does sigh. When my spirit is low, her tears flow. Guru carries us both broken yet high. I am more of myself when I don't have to fake for the society's sake. Also, I don't have to stress. I work more and worry less. Pondering upon the books on my shelf, that's really when I am more of myself. Next poem is Loving someone from far away doesn't make a sense to me, since love knows no limitations. If I love someone from the depths of being, we are in eternal union unconditionally. But when others outside us say this, they don't realize the joy of this pain. Next poem. Unless it is the end, you will be examined, friend. Each day in the gracious life, tales of fun and of strife. Keep sailing, believe in the Master. And the last poem of the day, to the Supreme, to the Divine. I say, I treated my duties as the Supreme's veneration. Yet, when I considered myself the doer, he showed me who really was, the master of beast and even grass. The universe, his field of creation, he dwells in us, see no separation. I hope viewers you like these short poems and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Also, the weekend offer which I have given in the video is that if you want to express yourself through poetry and you want to share poetry with your friends and family, then email us at our official email ID shown on the screen. Then you can get personalized poems for free, absolutely free, composed by me, that is Jerusha, and you can share it with your friends, family, loved ones, and have a good time. So see you in the next video. Avail the offer. Take care.